Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Laxi and I'm here with another video. So guys, if you're new, hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you won't miss a thing. And first of all guys, watch the ads. If you see any ads in the video, please watch the ads guys. Please, I'm begging you to watch the ads. The only thing about difficulty sense. Most people don't know, so are the ads not we get paid. So yes guys, so watch the ads. So you can't watch half what I just watch half. So please, I'm begging you, yes guys, and leave a comment. So guys, in this video I'll be doing a DIY sorry. So guys, I'll be using my palette to lipstick. So guys, sometime we girl, there's certain places and we don't have no lipstick, we run out of lipstick, and then look at something there and you have one lip gloss and you know color on your lip and girl want look, you know. So girl I go, so you know, and some girl don't know, so I go show them a good thing guys. DIY. Any color no wants. Any color girl want, girl gets, alright. So guys, first of all I'm gonna rub off this color that I have on my lip and I'm gonna show you because most people don't know. Right? See? DIY. In a minute guys. So first of all, first you put on the little lip gloss thingy. You put on a little lip balm. Or lip gloss, whatever you have. And I'm gonna use the yellow blush one. Okay. Whoops. Whoops. So that's alright. I'm gonna use one this color. See? See, girl, use the and make fashion. Can you call on the try some more to get it? I'm gonna use like a silver whitish. Guys. So guys, how many know this? I do it all the time. So if you're the girl, they will go for the nice, fancy paper. So if you're the girl, they will go for paper, then color ya, and it's something there, they don't know. Alright, so I'm gonna hold up my time. Unfortunately, I give me some night fever yesterday, so if I wonder what my mouth. Guys, I'm not talking about the lipstick. I'm not going on lips, I'm just brush it down. Alright. I'm going for the black. Black. You know, some people love them black lipstick. Comment down below if you never wear black lipstick. why I don't wear it. The black something I do one more one more. I'm gonna go apart, so yes guys, you know, I'm just showing them the perfection nothing. Just showing you cuts and clear, cuts out, cuts in and cuts out. So I'm gonna get a little G for my top. I'm gonna do two more. I'm gonna do purple and maybe purple only. So I'm gonna go wipe off the guys on there. I'll no. Let's see, that's still not bad. Yes guys, I can't perfection. I'm not a perfection nothing. Because I not really do it to go out. It's a show now. What you all can do to get a nice color. It's a perfection part and I'm going to do the party. No time, perfection now. Is it pretty? Alright guys, so all these beautiful colors coming from my little palette here. So yes guys, this is the end of my video. Tell me if you like, comment in the comment section down below. Tell me if you like the video, if you want more video like these. Comment in the comment section down below and hit that thumbs up. Yes guys, press the like button, turn on post notification if you're new, and hit the subscribe button. So right guys, peace out. Hope you all enjoy this video and learned something new. Bye.